Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's another beautiful day to serve you a hot look. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always returning to my page. And if you're just joining us for the first time, you're welcome. Okay, in today's video we're going to be doing very quick because I already did the screen prep of this particular look. So at the top right corner of your phone, you will see the skin prep video of this particular look. So guys, after I've done a foundation, I used the Huda Beauty foundation and L'Oreal just to liquidify the Huda Beauty foundation because it's very thick. So to get a real shade, a undertone, I mixed with the color palette. So this color palette, I use it for lip stain and also for blending my foundation, but basically I use it for foundation, like to color correct my foundation to match my client's skin, like skin tone, the undertone. So a lot of you guys might not know what undertone means. Undertone means like the particular color of the particular color under the skin of under your skin, like the particular color under the skin of your client, even your own skin. So this undertone helps you to match your foundation properly. Okay, so now after applying foundation, I went ahead to bronze up her face just to warm it up with Blood Beauty foundation. I think that shade is in shade Toast, so I'm using just one shade darker to warm up her skin. And I'm applying with a damp beauty sponge. So in my previous videos I talked about how your beauty sponge should always look like few. So next I'm going in with liquid blush, and of course I'm using the Nuban Beauty liquid blush to achieve that, and I'm putting that on her cheekbone just to add colors to her face, and also to keep it warm. I added a lip stain from also the Blot Cosmetic, and orange shade of lip stain. Now we'll go ahead to highlight her face, and I'm using these 3 shades of concealer. So I used a one shade lighter first, just to to blend alongside with her skin, and I'm applying that under her eyes. Then I started off blending out the outer part, like the edges, before I go in to the inner part of her eyes. So I'm still applying the same concealer on her forehead, the bridge of her nose, her chin, and we further blend out. So I'm using the other side of my beauty sponge that I use in applying foundation. So I use the other part, like the tip of my beauty sponge, to just blend out the highlighter, that's the concealer. So to brighten up her face, I went ahead and applied the lighter shade of concealer, and I'm just applying that at the inner corner of her eyes. So I waited for a little while before blending, just to brighten up the under eyes and give that full coverage. Then after blending, I went ahead to spray to set the skin, and my hand fan is always handy to dry up the setting spray. So now we are presetting, and I'm using a powder, a Nuban Beauty powder, to preset the skin. You want to set, like preset, that is prepare it for setting powder. So to further bronze her face, I'm using this Blot Cosmetic powder in shade Sweet Cocoa, just to bronze her face where I applied bronzer earlier. That's the foundation that I used to bronze her face. I went ahead to use that powder to just, bronze it and dry it up. Then for her nose contour, I'm using the MAC Cosmetic powder, and I used one darker shade and a bit, that's one is 2 shade darker and the other one is 1 shade lighter. Then I went ahead to bake her face, and I'm using the Merac setting powder, You all know how I love Merac setting powder. Like, it's a dupe for Laura Mercier, and for a Nigerian brand, I give them a thumbs up. So for our eyeshadow, I'm applying this as a base, and I'm using the Avon Cosmetic Lip Stain in shade 35 to apply eyeshadows. You guys know how I love using lip stains for eyeshadows. Me myself, I don't even know why I love doing that. So for today's look, we are going to do a very simple pink kind of eyeshadow, like a very mild bridal eyeshadow look. So I picked a pink shade from the palette. I used a very light pink shade lip stain to apply as my base, just to to further give that what was it called, to pigment, like to further give that pink. I don't know how to put it. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, to bring it out, to bring that pink shade out. Okay, so that is what I mean. So to blend the ash line between the pink and the brown, I went ahead to use my powder, Fenty powder, to just blend it out. So I just blended out the line in between the pink and the brown. So to smoke out the outer part of the eyes, I picked a burgundy shade, just to give that smoky outer part. So I just applied that at the outer corner of her eyes, and I went ahead to blend. So I wasn't satisfied with the pigmentation. I went ahead to use a very dark brown. Can you see how dark it is now? It's just to smoke out the outer part of her eyes, because I need that eyes smoky. So guys, I really want to appreciate you guys. Okay, you guys have brought me to 1K subscriber. Like, the day I saw this 1K subscriber, I was so happy. I was shouting. Thank you so much, my community. Thank you, because I think I have started building a community that love my job. Okay, so if you are here to subscribe on this channel and you love what you see here and you want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and also drop sweet comments, so that YouTube can know that my community are serious. Like, the community I'm building, they are very serious and they love my channel. Then YouTube will be able to push these videos to other audiences, like other people that will love and want to learn one or two things or the other. So thank you so much, and now let's go back into the video. So now I'm trying to just stroke her brows to give that fake hairline at the beginning, and also to fill up the inner part of her brows. Okay, so I made a very detailed video of eyebrow in one of my videos, and I will just drop it at the left corner of this video. Then you can go ahead and watch it if you haven't seen my detailed eyebrow video. Okay, so now I'm highlighting the eyebrow just to give it in shape, and also to clean up the edges. So I just applied a very little concealer, and I went ahead to apply powder to dry up the concealer, because we won't want to leave our brow bone shining. So now I'm going in with my eyeliner gel. So I'm applying the eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I usually advise you to just gently hold the eyelid of your clients, like, so that you can be able to keep them stable and also to draw effectively. Okay, then for the lower line, I usually drag the line, like the eye down the skin. So I usually drag the skin down a bit, so that I can just draw on top of our waterline. Okay, so you have to be careful when doing this, so you don't poke your clients. They don't carry you go station. No, I'm not there. Okay, so now to smoke it out, I use the Sleek eyeshadow palette. You can use any eyeshadow palette you have. Just pick a black eyeshadow and just smoke out, and look at the eyes. Isn't this beautiful? Are you not liking it? So now I'm just going to take off the excess powders on her face and reapply my blush. you know, we want it blushy. So guys, keep liking this video. I'm waiting for your likes. I'm waiting to see your likes, okay? So now I'm just trying to dust off the excess powder, and look at this beautiful look, this gorgeous look. So if you have a bride that you want to glam, come and copy this eye look and go and do it for your bride though, okay? Come and copy it and do it for your bride. So for the lip stain, I use the same palette I use in mixing a foundation, and I picked a very light brown shade there just to line, because we are doing a bridal look and we don't want it too loud and too, you know, let your makeup not be everywhere, okay? So I just added a little pink and blended out immediately. So I told you guys about blending. Make sure you blend properly and gently, and for you to achieve a good blending, you have to moisturize the lips. Like when you're doing the skin prep, make sure you apply moisturizer on that lips. Let that lips be soft. That is how your lip stains won't break, okay? So now we'll go ahead to set the skin. I've not set the skin, and the skin is like this, it's skinning. So I'm setting the skin with the Nuban Beauty setting spray. So I love this spray a lot. Like, I love it a lot. Nigerian brands are doing well. Look at the glow now. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. So now I'm giving it a airbrush spray, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush spray, you know, to just further blend spray the skin. So look at the skin finish, guys. Look at the skin finish. So now I went in with the Hydro Mix spray. This is what I use to finish my makeup after I'm done. Then I went in with the Fenty highlighter. I think that is what's it called? How many characters? Yeah, I'm correct. How many characters? Then I went in with a lip gloss. What is lips without gloss? What is bridal lips without gloss? So after that, I went ahead to just extend our under lashes, and I'm using the Zara mascara to do that. So I'm just extending our under eyelashes, you know, to give that fierce, beautiful look. So this is the final look, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? Subscribe to my page, and see you next week. Bye.